There are probably 6 masters of the craft. I've had the pleasure of studying with 4 of them. The days of emailing your headshots and going on simple casting calls is over. I'm not going to pat you on the back. Reality is I've thrown people out of my class. You have to do this and you have to love this more than anything. This is the only time I'll allow you to take this out. Let's start with you. Stand up, read that cold copy, do it like a church woman. Come on.
When you take the special page down.
I have never met a teacher like John.
And they are fucking gone.
What he does is, he puts you in the perfect place, and he has this uncanny knack of just making you feel at ease like nobody else is there. It's just you and him.
For the rest of my life.
I find that he's one of the few teachers that gives you on-the-spot feedback.
No, honestly, gold, and then red, and then a deep blue.
There's a gun to your head.
When you're out there doing your monologue for him, you get real-time adjustments.
Which most men never feel. Then saw to it.
I am so thankful to have a talent like John Pallotta here in DC coming down from New York.
That you have for acting and apply it to this.
He's also one of the most practical instructors I've ever met in terms of getting that dichotomy of working the business and the craft of acting
Take
together.
it to a deeper place without yelling.
In the practice of the art.
Yeah. You guys in real life have personalities, right? Bring that personality to that. You know.